In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom food in MyFitnessPal. This is perfect when you're logging something that isn't already in the database, like a homemade item or a packaged food with a unique label. To begin, open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. Give it a second to load, then head to the Diary tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you track everything you eat and drink throughout your day, and it's the quickest way to add new items. Inside your diary, look for the meal sections, such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Under any meal, tap Add Food. It doesn't matter which meal you choose at this stage, you're just creating the item and you can log it under any meal later. On the next screen, tap My Foods. This area is your personal library of custom items you've created. Now tap Create a Food. This opens a form where you'll enter the details of the item you're adding. Start by entering a clear food name so you can easily find it later. Then fill in the nutrition details. Focus on the serving size and calories per serving first because those anchor everything else. For example, your serving size might be 1 cup, 100 grams, or 1 piece. Choose units that match the label or how you measure at home. Next, add the macronutrients per serving, like total fat, carbohydrates, and protein, and include fiber and sugars if you have them. If the label provides sodium, cholesterol, or other micronutrients, add those too, but don't worry if you don't have every single value. Accuracy matters most for the fields you do know, so double check your units and make sure you're entering values per the serving size you selected. If your label lists calories and macros for a different serving size than you prefer, adjust the serving size first so everything lines up. When your details look good, tap Next, the arrow pointing to the right, usually found in the top corner. This gives you a quick chance to review what you've entered. If something needs tweaking, you can go back and correct it. Finally, tap Save once you're done. Your custom food is now stored under My Foods and ready to use. The next time you log your meals, it will be available to add to your diary in just a few taps. If you ever need to refine the name, serving size, or nutrition info later, you can return to My Foods and update it so your logs stay consistent.